Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to take a screenshot by using snipping tool on your Windows laptop. So let's begin our video. So first you need to go on this search option and then you need to type SNIPPING just type snipping tool and you can get this option snipping tool. Just open it and you can get a option at first new. There you can see new, just select it and then you can take a screenshot like that. Any size you can select, from here. It's just select full size and that's it. Your screenshot already taken. Now you need to save it. So for that you need to get a option on the top, save snip. Just select it and then you can select any folder from here, just save, then yes, that's it. So in this way you can take a screenshot by using snipping tool on your laptop very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.